Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're enjoying your holiday. Alright, today we'll be looking at something different from what we did the last time. Remember what we did in the last class? Purification of water. Good. So today we're looking at packaged water. Packaged water. Before now, you must have viewed the video I played for you on packaged water. You can see some of those samples of packaged water. So that is what we're discussing today. Now before I go further, I have my own packaged water that I want you to see so that you can flow with me as I go on. Now, these are examples of packaged water. This is a sachet water. This is a sachet water. Let me use this sachet water. And this is a bottled water. Bottled water, good. So these are packaged water. This is packaged in a bottle and this is packaged in a nylon. So this is a sachet water and this is a bottled water. Okay. Now, for what I have on the board, a packaged water is the water that is sold in bottle or sachet. Can you see that? A packaged water is the water that is sold in bottle or sachet and that has been treated in order to make it very clean. Let's take it together. Repeat after me. A packaged water is the water that is sold in bottle or sachet and that has been treated in order to make it very clean. Fantastic. Now, for a water to be packaged, it must have gone through methods of purification. Now, why is it being purified and packaged? So that we can consume it and the water will be healthy when we consume it. So that the water will be healthy when we consume it. Now, you wonder, is this water actually safe? Where did they get this water from? Did they actually treat the bottle? Did they actually treat the nylon? Did they actually use? Start asking different questions start coming through your minds. Now, one thing you should know first is, before the water can be packaged to be consumed by you and I, it has been thoroughly what? Treated. So that when you consume it, it's not going to harm you. When I consume it, it's not going to harm me too. So it's thoroughly treated so as to kill the germs in the water. So every bottled water you see, the sachet water you see, the water is being treated. Just that, most times we are not sure of the sachet water, the company producing the sachet water. They might take their time producing the bottled water, unlike the sachet water. But bear in mind that most companies or factories that produce the sachet water also treat the water very well the way they treat the bottled water too. So it's just to know the company or the factory that treats its sachet water properly and you try to obtain water from such factory. So it's very good you know the factory that produces the water you consume so that you will know how healthy the water you consume is or not. Water available in nature. Now, in nature, natural, in the world, in the universe, water available in nature contains numerous, plenty, different contaminants, dirts, impurities. We call them contaminants. So water available in nature contains numerous contaminants, such as physical. When you see some water in nature, maybe the river, the lake, the ocean, you see this water, you see some particles. Now, such particles got there maybe through the way we dispose things. Some people, they don't dispose their dirt properly. They will just take their dirt straight to the drainage and they will trash it. So when rain falls, it takes the trash down to the river, down to the ocean. Now the water gets polluted. So those nylons, those slippers, those dirts you can see are physical dirts. So now for you to make your water pure, it has to go through series of purification so that when you consume it, it's not going to harm you. Now, numerous contaminants such as physical, chemical. Some people throw chemical substances, deadly chemicals into the ocean. And most times you find out that these chemicals even kill the fish in the river. It kills the fish in the river. Now, such chemical is toxic to man. So for your water to be packaged, all these chemicals, physical contaminants must be treated thoroughly before we can consume it. And microbiological are those germs we cannot see with our eyes. They are micro, they are tiny. You can be seeing the water that the water is clean, but you don't know the numerous germs that are dancing inside the water. How can you tell? When you use your microscope and you view such water, you will be so amazed at what you will see. So now, we have to purify the water. The water has to go through a series of purification before we can consume it. Now, such as physical, chemical, and microbiological that make it unfit for human consumption. So water has to be treated to take away all physical germs, chemical germs, and microbiological germs so that we can consume it and it will be healthy to us. So the task of packaged and bottled water is to make the naturally contaminated water safe to drink. Can you see? Why we not package our water is to make the water fit for us to consume. Because before we package it, we must have killed all the germs. It must have gone through a series of purification to do away with all the germs, the physical germs, the chemical and the microbiological germs, and the water will be clean and safe for us to consume. Now, what are the types of packaged water? We have types of packaged water. Before we started, I showed you the sachet water, and also the bottled water. Now, these are the types of packaged water. In your houses, I know you all have the dispenser water. The dispenser is another packaged form of water. So that is also packaged like the bottle. So these are types of packaged water. Now, why are packaged water beneficial to us? What are the benefits? What do we stand to gain when we package our water? One, it's convenience. It's okay. On-the-go hydration solution. We all need water. Every human, plants, animals need water. Yes. Although the water we humans consume is not the same as the animals. Because animals can even drink dirty water and nothing happens to them. But for humans, you can't drink dirty water. So now it's convenience on the go hydration solution. We need to drink water because most times we get dehydrated. Our throat gets so dry, our mouth gets so dry, so we need water to hydrate it. So that is why we have to package our water so that when we drink this water, the water will not harm us. I have not seen any human that can stay without water. Some people can stay without food for 3 weeks, but water For 1 week, it's going to be difficult. So water is an essential thing we need in our life. So as such, because we consume high amount of water in our body, so we have to make sure it is pure. It has to be pure. It has to be packaged. It has to be pure for us to consume such water, so that you don't have typhoid. Typhoid is a bad illness and can even result to death. So we don't have to consume dirty water. We have to be sure of the water we consume. 2, it can easily be stored. Your packaged water can easily be stored. It has gone through a series of purification. So it is certain that the water can stay long for you. It can stay long for a particular time. So that is why we say it can easily be stored. Packaged water can easily be stored. 3, it has great taste. You know, after through series of purification, they add some chlorine and some chemicals that help in killing the germs. You see that such water has a great taste. The taste is not awful. It's just okay. When we drink it, we'll feel comfortable. So that is another benefit of packaged water. There's some water when you consume, you start feeling some bad smell. You start perceiving some bad smell. Such water is not properly packaged. The water did not go through series of purification. Lastly, benefits of packaged water. It's free of impurities. I told you that impurity means dirt. All packaged water is free of impurities. You don't get to see any germ in it. You don't get to see any germ in it. So these are the benefits of packaged water. So packaged water, like I said, it's water that is sold in bottle or sachet and that has been treated in order to make it very clean. So when you see the bottled water, you know it's packaged. The sachet water, you know it's also packaged. Alright, I'll see you in the next class when we'll be talking about something different from what we have here. Thank you.